Hi everyone, welcome to Anything Bikes. Debs here, and it's actually the last video of the motorbike build. So we're on issue 91, but it's not the last video to do with this motorbike, because like I said in the last one, we're going to pimp it up. And I'm going to be learning lots of new skills, such as soldering, IT, what else am I going to be learning? Computer programming. And so lots of exciting things coming along. My glamorous assistant still won't be in the videos, so you'll have to guess who he is still. And he's going to stop it. And we also have the case to build to showcase the motorbike. At the end of this video as well, rather than try and tip the motorbike so you can see everything that we've done, we're going to take the camera and we're going to pan around the bike so you can see all different directions on the bike. So that's all exciting. Shall we see what we're going to be doing for the last bit of this build? Okay, so 91. Love letter to the M1. The relationship between Rossi and his Yamaha was just like a true love story. Featured moments of painful sacrifice, intense joy, separation, and reconciliation. Nothing was missing. And there he is kissing his bike. Wow. Rossi was known for making gestures of affection towards his bike, such as here at the 2008 Chinese Grand Prix. When Valentino left Yamaha at the end of 2010, he wrote a letter of thanks to the M1 before his departure. 2 seasons later, they were racing together again. Isn't that beautiful? Here he is kissing his bike. You can't not make a relationship there, can you, when you're riding in such a dangerous sport. So, Rossi's snowman helmet. Yeah, snowman helmet. That's a beautiful helmet. And right side keel, so that's what we're getting. Got the left side with the last one, and we're getting the right side with this one. And then it looks like we're going to be fitting the keels. That's the only thing left to do, really, isn't it? Okay, that completes your Valentino Rossi Yamaha YZR-M1. And it says, congratulations, we hope you've enjoyed collecting and building your miniature replica of this iconic motorcycle. And like I said, we're going to get the camera and we're going to pan around the motorbike for the end of this so that you can see what we've done. So, shall we start and finish? Which seems really weird to say. Right side keel. Let's open this box or bag. There we go. Check that. Ooh. Didn't cut that properly, did I? I got everything out of the bag. Yes. That's just that. So we have something here. Rear fairing sticker. Okay, so we've got a rear fairing sticker. Let's put that to one side. And we get the right side keel fairing, which is this. It's got the stickers already on. It's quite big. Look how long it is. Very long. Okay, open the box along with that. Oh, and we got some H screws in there. Let's put it in there. And let's see what we're doing. Okay. Step 1. In this final assembly session, we'll complete the M1's fairing by adding the 2 side keels. Start with the left side. This is the left side. And then my lefts and my rights now, which is brilliant. Took me 91 sessions, but yeah, I know it. Start with the left side. Keel fairing you received in magazine 90. Fit it in place following the arrows, inserting its 2 locating pins into the indicated holes. So this is the picture here. Okay, right, let's take it out. Chuck that. Let's get the back. Turn it this side. Let's get this. Can you see that side? I know you won't be able to see underneath here. Right, so we have it. Huh? Look at the picture. What screws are they? Oh, still them bloody slot ones. Okay. So, step 2, fix the keel by inserting a type H screw. Yeah. In there. So, what we're doing. 2 locating pins into the indicated holes. So, that's one of the pins there. And 2. I've just pulled out the screw, which doesn't surprise me because it was the side that was loose. That's fine. Can't get it in. I'm going to leave it and do it off camera. There. Okay, no. Right, let's get this done. And we're using a H screw. And I can get the packet open. There. Everything is so delicate and I don't want to break anything. way. That's that. Lovely. So that's one side. How many screws do we need in there? Fix keel by H screw into that one. Complete the fastening of the left side by fitting 2 more parts H from magazine into the 2 circled holes. So we need 1 in there and 1 in there. Be really careful. Let's see if we can do this one first. That one's gone in. Perfect. It's gone in a bit more. And just this one last one. Lovely. Perfect. See if I can tighten that up a little bit more. No, that's as tight as that's going to be. And this one is a little bit tighter. Nice. Excellent. Right, let's see if I can put that back in. If I can't, I can't. But it's still not lining up with where it's supposed to go into. Let's see. Huh? No, I'm going to leave it. Okay, so that's that done. All 3 screws are in. 1, 2, 3. Now turn the motorcycle over to fit the right side keel fairing you receive with this magazine. Follow the arrows and circles to line up its fixing points on the right hand fairing and the left side keel fairing you've just fitted. So let's turn it around without breaking anything. Things feel. Oh, right, I'm going to put that back in. That goes in there. touch the tyres only. Is that okay there?
Left. Yeah, okay.
Okay. So let's take this. Took that. And we're fitting this on there. That's it. That's that. So they're fitted. And type H screws. In 3 places that we did last time. So we have on there. Oops. I need to pull it, sorry. Let me see if that one will fit first. Or if in this one actually. These are tiny, tiny, tiny screws. Can't push because the motorbike will slide. Let's try this one in the middle again. I get it eventually. So this one. too. It's when the holes don't align up. Can't even grab it. It's my very last screw and it's bloody being a pain. Come on. Yes, got it. Very last screw going in. I think, anyway. Might be wrong. Let's go one more turn. Perfect, that is the last screw. Let's see if that needs tightening. Yeah, and then this one. Wow. Okay, that's done. So we've completed the fastening of the left eye, turned it around. We've done, check that the keel is correctly aligned and fitting flush. Yes, that's nice and flush. Complete the fastening by inserting, done that. Step 7, let's just go the other way round. Let's see. Yeah, that's done. That's in. Wow, that's nice and tight. Yeah, that's nice and tight. Perfect. Lovely. It's fitting flush. Okay. And I know we've not got that screw in, but it's not going to go in. Okay. Whew, right. So, we've done step 6. Step 7, now take a small oval sticker supplied with this magazine and remove its protective backing. That's this one. Let's pull this so you can see it in the camera. And it's going in there. Perfect. Carefully press the sticker into the overall housing on the rear fairing so that it covers the whole as shown. I got my finger stuck down there earlier when I was playing. So, final result, your Valentino Rossi YZR-M1 is now finished and ready to be displayed on its paddock stand. Well, it's already on its paddock stand. So, that's the end of 91. We will get the camera and we'll pan it around so that you can see. But really pleased with that. Vroom vroom. Yeah. And we will be doing some more videos around souping it up a little bit. And yeah, so please subscribe, like and share. And I will look forward to seeing you when we have designed the parts where we're going to soup it all up. All right. Thanks ever so much. Bye.